you can use Office scripts to generate a password of any length from a given set of any characters that you supply. So let's have a look at the demo that I have built that does this. So we can see a column for the password and for the length itself. So after clicking the button, it appears in the table. So let's try again. I've specified the length in cell D2. I'm going to change it to 32. And then let's try again with a larger number. Let's try 1000. Let's see how long that takes. A couple of seconds. So we have 1,000 character long password created in a couple of seconds by Office scripts. And we can see the size of that password here. So let's have a look at the code itself that generated these passwords. So the first line is the function declaration. The second is the variable declaration for the worksheet. Next we have the variable declaration for the looping number. Then we have the map string variable declaration. This is the list of characters that can be selected for the password. You can select or input any characters you like in here. The variable next is D2 string, that and the next one, B3 string, are input variables taken directly from the worksheet. So it's the B3 string is used to determine if there is a password there already, and then the D2 string is used to obtain the required length of the password. So the next variable is just a conversion of the D2 string. The next one is called generated position, and that is the position in the map string that's been selected. The next two variables are string val and string val string, which are used to build the password itself within the loop. So next we have the loop. We're starting at 0 and we're ensuring that we're looping less than D2, which is the position of the value in the mapping string. And then we go through, we create the random integer using the separately declared function called getRandomInt. Next, we assign a value to the string val variable. It is a substring from the mapping string, and we're using the generated position and the generated position +1 to return one single character from that mapping string. We then, as part of a loop, assign that variable to itself by concatenation. After that, we then assign the resultant concatenated password into the worksheet. We check first if cell B3 has a value in it or not, and then we use the getRangeEdge method to move to the end of the table to insert the new password.